Welcome to our channel. If you want to use Clipboard Access safely on your Verizon device or when using Verizon services, follow this quick guide to protect your personal information and maintain privacy. Step 1. Understand that Clipboard Access allows apps to read anything you've copied to your device's clipboard, including sensitive information like passwords or account numbers. Step 2. On your smartphone, go to Settings and then Privacy or Security Settings. Step 3. Look for Clipboard Access or Paste Permissions, depending on your device and operating system version. Step 4. On iOS 14 and later, you'll receive notifications when apps access your clipboard. Review these notifications carefully. Step 5. On Android 12 and later, you'll see Clipboard Access notifications when apps read your clipboard content. Be aware of which apps are accessing this data. Step 6. Review all apps that have requested Clipboard Access and revoke permissions for apps that don't need this functionality. Step 7. When using My Verizon app or website, be cautious about what you copy to your clipboard before accessing your account. Step 8. Never copy sensitive information like passwords, PIN codes, or social security numbers to your clipboard unless absolutely necessary. Step 9. Clear your clipboard after copying sensitive information by copying blank text or spaces to overwrite the previous content. Step 10. Use password managers with built-in security features instead of copying passwords manually to avoid clipboard exposure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.